The Mavic 2 Pro has finally shown its face. Purported images of what the drone is supposed to look like have now surfaced. What is up, everybody? I'm Original Dobo and you're watching Phones, Drones, and Tech. If you're new here, consider hitting that subscribe button at the end of this video. It's been an interesting week as far as leaks go. First the Phantom 5 camera, or the supposed Phantom 5 camera, then the Phantom version 2, and now we have the first actual evidence that the Mavic 2 does exist. We knew it would happen, but it was just a matter of when. Now we have photos to back that up. Now, if we look at this image, it's a very low resolution image, so I apologize for the quality. It's just low resolution. The first thing I did when I downloaded this image was open it up and look for any of the EXIF data. I'm looking to see when this photo was actually taken, and there was no data. It actually looks like it was a potential screen grab of some sort due to the low quality. Now, if we look closely at this image, we'll also see that the drone itself is a little bit chunky, which could support the claim of better battery life. People have been predicting that this drone is going to get upwards of 35 minutes of flight time, and in order to achieve that, you're going to need a bigger battery, and it definitely looks like the Mavic Pro 2 may pack that bigger battery. Not only that, ground clearance looks like it's also improved with this drone. If you look at the front, we can't get a good look at the gimbal because the legs are in the way, but it looks like we do have a little bit more clearance on this drone. Potentially as well, looking at the legs of this drone, it looks like they also may fold out. It seems like the trend of the Mavic is that the legs fold out from underneath, which totally throws me off because I just want to go ahead and pull the legs open, and it doesn't appear that many of the Mavics work like that, so it looks like this may actually pull out from the side, which would be a nice change. Still, there's a lot that is unknown about this drone. No support and specs, no tentative release date. Somebody had claimed that maybe we would see it like March 22nd. I think if it was going to be any time in March, we would have already had some advance notice so the media and press could prepare for that. But as of right now, I think we're looking at more towards a mid-April, possibly end of April release in preparation for summer. But if anything else should change with this, I'll definitely go ahead and do an update video if we get some potential specs. But as of right now, there's nothing to support this image other than it's just an image and it could possibly be the Mavic 2. Anyways, guys, I will catch you guys on Monday night for Up in the Air Live. And if you haven't tuned into that show, make sure you do so. We talk about everything from drones to tech and just also random film editing. And if you want to join in on the conversation, live chat is always open. Look forward to seeing you there. I will see you next time.